morning, guys.
Good
morning. This is Dr.R.Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity. Today we are going to discuss on topic case study. Okay. The topic is digital data communication in college network. Okay. Before we move on to the topic, first let us know what is meant by data transmission. Data transmission is data transmission means transmitting the data from sender to receiver. Either digitally we are going to transmit the data, right? So that's what we used to call as simply data transmission. Transmitting the data from sender to receiver. Okay. So digital data transmission, or else we used to call as a digital data communication. We are transmitting the data from sender to receiver through digitalized mode. We are going to transmit now. First of all, in transmission mode, we have three terms. We studied in previous classes, right? What are they? Transmission modes. Simplex. Do you remember? Simplex. Yes, very good. Simplex, half duplex, and then full duplex. Simplex. What does it mean by simplex? Simpler, we are going to transmit the data. Okay, good. Half duplex, simplex mode, half duplex, radio communications, that are all considered as simplex mode. The half duplex in the sense one-way communication, like walkie-talkie. This is a good example for half duplex mode. And then full duplex through two-way communication, that is considered as full duplex mode. So this is all we are going to consider as a transmission mode of communication. And then we have data transmission methods, right? What are they? Do you remember? Two methods are there, right? Come on.
Serial parallel.
Very good. Serial transmission.
Data transmission is single bits. Parallel data transmission is multiple bits.
Very good. Transmission methodology, we have two terms. In that way, the data will get transmitted from sender to receiver. Serial data transmission, and another one is parallel data transmission. Serial is the single bit transmission. They are going to transmit the data. Parallel it's another than multiple bits. They are going to transmit the data. A huge number of data, complicated data, and all focusing on parallel data transmission. And then we have two types of data transmission, right? What are they? In two way we can transmit the data, right?
One is wired and another one is wireless. Wired is physically connected cables, whereas wireless is it will help to connect and communicate without any
wireless cable. Very good.
For example, for wired is twisted pair cables and for wireless is Bluetooth, Wi-Fi.
Fantastic. Wire transmission and wireless transmission. Either wired or wireless, we can transmit the communication between sender and receiver. So here we are going to discuss in college network how we are going to apply the digital data transmission. In that we have two techniques. Yesterday's class we studied, right? Two techniques of data transmission in digital mode. In multiple way, we are going to transmit the data in digitalized way. That is another than two important techniques are there. One is synchronous transmission and another one is asynchronous transmission. Synchronous transmission, synchronous it's going to transmit the data in block way method. That is, complicated data block by block split we are going to transmit the data from sender to receiver. So, we have some kind of struggle, right? Some of the network reach the signal issues in the so that we are going to analyze with the help of some kind of key concepts now. Did you remember key concepts in data transmission? Very good. Error detection and corrections, we are using some kind of techniques, right? What are they?
Fixing and rectifying the errors.
Very good. So in that fixing the error, we are going to analyze the error with the help of some parity bit, parity check. In the techniques used, we are going to analyze the error detection and correction. We are going to correct the error, then we will start transmitting the data from sender to receiver. Okay. So the synchronous and asynchronous are the best. In the way of simple data transmission, we அதாவது character by character they are going to transmit the data. இதே நம்ம வந்து synchronous அப்படிங்கிறது ரொம்ப complicated dataவா இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா that we are going to transmit through synchronous data. சரியா? So synchronous transmission அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம college network அப்படிங்கிறது நம்ம ஒரு college run பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா the academic activities and then what are the activities it's the computer network அப்படிங்கிறது it's a backbone for doing some such a kind of academic activities and then email sending and then if you want to send attendance data to the parents. So இந்த மாதிரி இதெல்லாம் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா as well as administration data and then hostel facilities, hostel need ஏதாவது activities இதெல்லாம் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா we are going to use computer network, right? That இந்த இதெல்லாம் வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா அந்த நெட்வொர்க்ல எது பெஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா compared to synchronous and asynchronous எது பெஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா எதை நீங்க சூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க? நம்ம ஆக்சுவலி அக்கேஷனல் பேசிஸ்ல நம்ம ஏதாவது ஒரு லிமிட்டட் டேட்டா டிரான்ஸ்மிஷன் அப்படின்னா we can choose asynchronous transmission தான். இதே நம்ம வந்து ரொம்ப என்ன சொல்றது tedious-ஆ process ஏதாவது நிறைய டேட்டா நம்ம வந்து ஷேர் பண்ணணும், கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ணணும். இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் we have LMS, right? Learning Management System. What we are using now? ஏதாவது டேட்டா நம்ம எடுக்கிறது நம்ம காலேஜ்ல என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம்? If you want to take some computer network notes na instead of class notes தாண்டி வேற additional notes வேணும்னா நம்ம வந்து portal யூஸ் பண்றோம். சொன்னே என்னடா யூஸ் பண்றோம்? yes coursework SNS coursework இல்லையா? So that is called as an LMS, the learning management system. சரியா? இப்போ நம்ம காலேஜ்ல LMS யூஸ் பண்றோம். that is other than the coursework SNS coursework.org, right? அந்த போர்ட்டல்ல நம்ம வந்து என்ன சப்ஜெக்ட் ரிலேட்டடா நம்ம பார்க்கறோம் இல்லையா? So that is also comes under the synchronous transmission portal that we are going to transmit the data. In that we are using network. So இது யூஸ் பண்றது மூலமா நமக்கு என்ன advantage அப்படினா synchronous transmission வந்து best advantage அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா it's the reliability, the process of transmission வந்து ரொம்ப fast access-ஆ இருக்கு compared to asynchronous. Asynchronous அப்படிங்கிறது நம்ம like input எல்லாம் நம்ம வந்து character by character. So likewise only they are going to transmit the data. It takes time, huge number of time it takes. So compared to synchronous, asynchronous, synchronous is the best one for universal data transmission in the college network. Hope you understand the difference between asynchronous and synchronous, right? Thank you for your patient listening now. Thank you so much.